Friday into the weekend. The following is a high wind statement for the following counties in North Carolina: Allegheny, Ashe and Watauga, and Grayson, Virginia. High wind watch in effect from Wednesday evening through Thursday afternoon. West winds 30 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? In North Carolina, Allegheny, North Carolina, Ashe, and Watauga counties. In Virginia, Grayson County. When? From Wednesday evening through Thursday afternoon. Impacts: damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Northwest Mountains of North Carolina,